Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zainab. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. Today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan has reaffirmed the government's commitment to protect religious minorities, saying members of such communities are equal citizens of Pakistan and it is the state's duty of ensure their safety. National Assembly Speaker Asad Kaisar presided over a meeting of senior members of the ruling Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and then met Prime Minister Imran Khan to discuss the plan for convening the session of the lower house of parliament in the next few days. Hundreds of US President Donald Trump supporters stormed the US Capitol in a stunning bid to overturn his election defeat, battling police in the hallways and delaying the certification of Democratic President-elect Joe Biden's victory for hours. The government is set to unveil the ambitious Textile and Apparel Policy 2020 and 25, laden with cash subsidies and lower rates of utilities worth 960 billion rupees to boost production and export of value-added textile products. Public sector pension expenditure has risen sharply over the past decade, and the unfunded nature of pension payments in the country is making the current structure unsustainable, the State Bank of Pakistan said in its first quarterly report of FY21. On a recent chilly winter day in occupied Kashmir, Mushtaq Ahmed shoveled the earth laboriously, digging a grave for his teenage son. There was, however, nobody to be lowered inside. The world watched in disbelief as supporters of United States President Donald Trump stormed the Capitol building in a bid to overturn the result of last year's election, which was swept by Democrat Joe Biden. Traffic disruptions were reported in multiple areas of Karachi once again Thursday as protests and sit-ins against the killing of 11 Shia Hazara minors in Balochistan earlier this week continued for the third day in the metropolis. The alarming COVID-19 mortality rate and new infections in Punjab during the second wave of the virus have become a case for serious concern for the medical and health authorities as well as public. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.